Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Miss Christine. I've been teaching additional maths, pure maths, IB maths for a while now, and then I think this channel is going to help all those having issues in additional maths. You are in year 10, year 11, you're about to write your paper, you are quite stressed, and then basically I'm here to help you. So as you can see, you can do it. Okay, you can do it. Okay, so I'm going to talk about indices. This is a topic that is most time is treated, most time it is compulsory. You need to treat this topic in additional maths and other maths as well, but then we are talking about add maths for today. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the rules, and after that I'm going to show you how to apply it using this past question, and then you are going to see how I'm applying the rules in order for me to solve this. Okay, so let's start. So we have the rules. You have the rules. So let me start with the number one. I'm calling them basic rules because you have additional rules as well, but I think those are the basic ones that you must know. You must memorize them. So you have am times an, which is equal to am plus n. Okay, you must know that. Number two, you have am divided by an. It is what? Am minus n. Okay, somebody may not like this, so I'm just talking about this. Okay, yes, so it is the same thing as am minus n. You must know that. You have the third one as well. When you have ab divided by bm, it is the same thing as am, okay, over bm. You must know that. You must know all these ones. You have the number 4. Okay, you have ab m. The indices is affecting each bm. Okay, this is the 4. Let me say a fifth one. Square root of a, you must know that is a raised to the power of half. Yes, you must know that. You must know that. In my next video, I must go to said square root for you to see how it goes, but then you must know that too under indices, because at the end of the day, said is also an index, so you must know that. Okay, so these are the ones, and once we be applying them, you must maybe learn new ones as well, but as I said, those are basic to me, and you have additional ones as well coming. Okay, so let me go back to a past question for you to see how you can apply what we just learned. Okay, in case you haven't seen it, this is it here again. It's here, so you can screenshot it and memorize it. Okay, let's come to this one. So here you have a past question, the code 0606. You are aware of it. You know you are writing 2 papers, but this is paper 1, May, June, 1, 2. Okay, so you can go and download the question and do it on your own. Okay, so you have this. You have to use this. So it is written, given that square root of a raised to the power of 1 over 3, b negative 2 over 5, all over a raised to the power of negative 1 over 3, b 3 over 5 is equal to this. A raised to the power of p, b raised to the power of q, and you are finding the value of p and q. Okay, sorry. Okay, so then you need to know that you are simplifying what? This expression. You are simplifying this expression to get this. This is what you need to do. Some students do it simultaneously. I will advise you, since you are not really good, because in my channel you want to improve yourself, you may have issues, don't do it that way. Do it the way I'm about to teach you. Okay, so let me go into solution. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite that. So square root of a 1 over 3, b negative 2 over 5, all over a negative 1 over 3, b 3 over 5. So I have to break this thing down into this. This is what I'm doing. So the first thing, take your time, break the top. So you have a square root here. How do you get rid of the square root? You go to your formula. You have to back it up with your formula, whatever you do. So square root, it is a raised to the power of half. So then it means that everything under the square root will be written this way. A 1 over 3, b negative 2 over 5, all over half. Okay, I'm just applying the rule, and you write this here. Okay, 3 over 5. Okay, yes. So now how do you get rid of the parentheses? Don't forget, it must look like this way. You go back to your rules. you go back to your rules. You can see that when the indices is out, it affects each variable in the parentheses. Okay, it affects each here. So this is what you are going to apply here as well. So what you get, it will be a raised to the power of 1/3 times what? Okay, so here it is 4. I'm looking at the question. It is 4. Oh, sorry. Okay, it is 4. Okay, so here will be 4 times half. Okay, and b -2/5 times half, all over a -1/3, b 3/5. Okay, so this is what you are having. Now you can see that what you are multiplying it, so you can use your calculator. What I like with indices is I don't need to use my calculator. I can do it, but you use your calculator to be sure. So 4 times 1 is 4/6. So you write 4/6 will give you 2/3. Okay, you write the simplified form. And b, you write -1/5. Okay, all over a -1/3, b 3/5. Okay, you can see that you are getting closer to this. You can see it. Okay, you are getting closer to it. So how do you break this thing down? No panic, there is nothing in between, but it's like a multiplication. So this is what you can do as well. You can write a 2/3 over a -1/3 times what? b -1/5 over what? b 3/5. Yes, you can do it. Yes, and yes again. You can do that. Okay, so when you get here, you apply your